Welcome back to our channel. हेलो एवरीवन, आज हम क्लास 4th इंग्लिश ग्रामर बुक का 17 चैप्टर प्रीपोजिशन पढ़ेंगे. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. 17 चैप्टर प्रीपोजिशंस. Read the sentences below and pay attention to the words in blue. The cat is sitting on her bed. The snail is hiding inside the plant pot. The words in blue are prepositions which show and tell us the position of the nouns. तो यहाँ पर जो ऊपर blue words है वो preposition है. preposition वो होता है जो nouns के position को बताते हैं. A preposition is a word which shows us the connection between a noun or a pronoun with other words of the sentence. प्रोनाउन वह शब्द है जो वाक्यों में संज्ञा या सर्वनाम और अन्य शब्दों के बीच संबंध दर्शाता है. एग्जाम्पल्स: द बुक्स इज इन द लाइब्रेरी. द पेंटिंग हैंग्स ऑन द वॉल. वी आर गोइंग टू द बीच. द सन राइजेज अप इन द ईस्ट. द कैट क्रोल्ड अप बीनीथ द ब्लैंकेट्स. The rain poured down from the sky. The thief hid behind the tree. She was the tallest among her friends. The park is located near the lake. The house has a beautiful garden in the front of it. The romance books are shelved between history and science section. There are different types of prepositions used for different purposes. They are prepositions of time, prepositions of place, and prepositions of movement. अलग अलग उद्देश्यों के लिए विभिन्न प्रकार के preposition का प्रयोग किया जाता है, जैसे preposition of time, preposition of place, and preposition of movement. Let's study this table to see how some of these prepositions are used. चलिए अब पढ़ते हैं कि preposition कैसे यूज होते हैं. Preposition usage. Example: preposition of time. At exact moment, the food will arrive at 5 p.m. By a limit in time, she will deliver the product by sundown. For over a certain period of time. Vienna has been living in France for over 2 years now. From when something starts. The store stays open from morning until noon. Prepositions of place. Above, suspended higher than something else. The books are kept above the refrigerators. Below, suspended lower than something else. Your shoes are below the cabinet. Under, below the surface of something. The books are under the blue box. Beside, next to or at the side of somebody or something. The cat is sleeping beside Sona. Prepositions of movement. Through. From one end to the other. The mouse peeped into the room through the window. Onto. Into or an a particular place. She lost her balance as she stepped onto the train. Over. Getting to the other side. Let's walk over the bridge and watch the scenery. Across, from one side to the other. The rabbit jumped across the field in a frenzy. A. Choose the correct option. यहाँ पर ऑप्शन दिए गए हैं, उसमें से एक सही चूज करना है. First, let us meet for since lunch. आंसर 4 सही है. Second, the stadium is at in Noida. In आंसर सही है. Third, the mangoes are kept at on the table. On answer सही है. Fourth, she lives in on Chandigarh. Answer in सही है. Fifth, the magazines are kept at on the coffee table. On answer सही है. Sixth, Sheila is waiting for us at in the station. At answer सही है. Seventh, Mum put some chips on in the guacamole. On answer सही है. Eighth, the castle has been around since 4 years. 4 answer सही है. B, match the prepositions with their function. यहाँ पर जो preposition हैं उनके function से हमें match करना है. Prepositions, function, at, exact moment, from, when something starts, below, suspended lower than something else, under, lower to the surface of something, onto, into or an a particular place, over, getting to the other side, near, not far away in distance, to, in the direction of something. C, make new sentences using the prepositions provided. यहाँ पर prepositions दिए गए हैं उनके हमें sentences बनाने हैं. आप अपने मर्जी से भी sentences बना सकते हैं. First, beside. My dog is sleeping beside me. Second, across. The leopard jumped across the wall. Third, onto. I lost my balance as I stepped on the stairs. Fourth, around. The castle has been around for years. Fifth, behind. The child is hiding behind the tree. Sixth, over. The ball went over the stadium. Seventh, since. She is watching TV since 1 hour. Eighth, below. They live below my home. D, fill in the blanks with appropriate prepositions. यहाँ पर sentences दिए गए हैं उनके appropriate prepositions लगाकर हमें वाक्य पूरे करने हैं. First, the dog is dash the table. Under. Second, there is a wall dash the temple. Behind. Third, the helipad is dash the roof. Over. Fourth, let us go and sit dash the tree. Down. Fifth, he went dash the stairs slowly. Up. Sixth, they laid down dash a mango tree. Beside. 7. The frog jumped dash the wall. Over. 8. The treasure was buried dash the north tower. In. आज हमारा क्लास 4 इंग्लिश ग्रामर बुक का 17 चैप्टर पूरा कंप्लीट हो गया है. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. प्लीज लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल.